Hey guys, Ben Weeks Bonanza Pilot here. Today we begin the work on polishing this 1947 straight 35 Bonanza that we got from Washington. If you recall, we had a little bit of surface corrosion that you can see pretty clearly, essentially all over the outside of the exterior of the airframe. The interior is very clean, so it wasn't systemic. This was just kind of anywhere moisture could settle. I guess moisture in the air, anywhere it could settle on the outside of the airplane, similar to if you leave it out on the grass overnight, you get dew that forms on the airplane. It was kind of the situation we were dealing with. So getting ready before we put the wings back on, which is probably going to happen in the next few days, we wanted to go ahead and polish the bottom of the wings because that's going to be a huge pain working upside down. And while we have the wings off, we can actually just set them upside down and then be working with gravity working in our favor. Plus, being the underside and being less visible, it's going to give me a chance to kind of do some experimentation and kind of learn to polish, because I haven't really polished, never had a polished airplane before. So I'm kind of learning. If you guys have any tips and tricks, be sure to let me know in the comments. And then before I start on the normal part of the airplane, I can kind of refine my technique. So what we're working with here, pretty simple setup. I've got these microfiber towels. I've got this oscillating, vibrating type deal that I don't know how well it's going to work. It kind of rotates, I think, but not like a ton. And then this is like your typical kind of grinder. It's a 6-speed rotating wheel. I've got 9 to 10 inch, a bunch of these pads that are made for this, but I think I've actually tested them. This is only a 7-inch wheel, but they fit. They're just a little bit big. And then right now, all I have is Mother's mag and aluminum polish. I know this isn't probably like the greatest thing for aircraft. I know Nuvite, and then I ordered some aircraft.polish.com or something, had a 3-part, a red, white, and blue polish, like a 3-stage polish. That's coming in the mail, so I'm just messing around with this right now just to see what kind of polish I can get with it. I've got this drill for any like small nooks and crannies that I kind of have already been doing some polishing on a propeller on one of the other airplanes. So I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm just going to kind of work with it and see what happens. So stay tuned. I'll show you guys some before and after, and we'll see what happens.